Iran's focus on developing a long-range missile system over expanding its air force has been driven by several strategic, economic, and political factors. Cost and accessibility. Building an advanced air force, particularly with modern fighter jets, is prohibitively expensive. Advanced fighter jets are costly to procure and maintain, and Iran has faced significant financial constraints. Moreover, international sanctions, especially those imposed by the United States and its allies, have limited Iran's ability to buy the latest military aircraft and parts, making it challenging to update its aging fleet. Missile technology, on the other hand, is relatively less costly to develop, manufacture, and maintain. Sanctions and procurement restrictions. Iran's air force still relies on older jets, mainly purchased before the 1979 Islamic Revolution, with limited access to spare parts due to sanctions. These sanctions make it difficult to import sophisticated components and technology needed for modern air force development, while missile development is more accessible since Iran can rely heavily on domestic resources and technology, and it doesn't need a vast network of suppliers for external support. Missiles as a strategic deterrent. Missiles, especially those with long-range and precision capabilities, serve as a powerful deterrent. They provide Iran with the ability to project power and threaten U.S. bases and allies in the region without relying on air superiority. With a robust missile program, Iran can target military bases, infrastructure, and cities across the Middle East, presenting a substantial deterrence and retaliatory capability without needing an advanced air force. Self-reliance and technological development. Iran has invested heavily in building its own missile technology over the past few decades. Through this focus, it has managed to become largely self-sufficient in missile production, even developing an array of short to long-range ballistic missiles. This approach aligns with Iran's broader defense policy of self-reliance, which is less feasible with aircraft, given the complex technology and expertise required. Defensive and asymmetric warfare strategy. Iran's military doctrine emphasizes asymmetric warfare, which means using tactics and equipment that can offset the conventional superiority of its adversaries, particularly the United States and Israel. Missiles fit well into this strategy as they allow Iran to strike high-value targets at a distance without engaging in direct, head-to-head air combat where Iran would be at a severe disadvantage. Geopolitical signaling and power projection. Iran's missile program also serves as a symbol of its technological capability and regional influence. The mere existence of long-range missiles deters adversaries and reinforces Iran's influence in the region. This approach supports Iran's strategic goals of regional dominance and maintaining a balance of power, even without advanced air capabilities.